Hey folks, and welcome back. Today I'm testing a brand new strategy using a combo of indicators MACD and Parabolic SAR. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss my next trading experiments. And stick around until the very end of this video. I'll show you how to use special promo codes to get even more money added to your deposits. Alright, let's set everything up and see how the strategy performs. So today's focus is this new indicator combo, MACD and Parabolic SAR. Let's set them up right away. This is a fresh strategy for me. I've experimented with different settings, and for today I've picked these ones. We go to MACD first, and fast period will be 15, slow period will be 25, and signal period is 15. Okay, styles. Oh, looks good visually. I'll leave the style as it is. Now Parabolic SAR. Let me remind you, if you didn't watch my previous video about MACD, that we looking in crossovers in MACD. Okay, let's go to Parabolic SAR. Acceleration 0.02 and maximum acceleration is 0.1. And I will change it to white color because visually it looks better for me. You can choose your color, of course. So we will trade on the 1 minute time frame today and keep this session conservative just to test. Remind you that we just testing this strategy today. Me testing with you. Okay, I'll open the first trade, and the logic is simple. On MACD, we wait for a crossover, as I said before. On Parabolic SAR, if dots are above price, it's bearish. If below, it's bullish. That's it. So only when both indicators confirm, we enter. This is the rule. So I test the strategy quite wild with different settings, and yeah, today is one of my tests, so you also can check how it's work, how it's perform, you know. I just opened a second trade also. I'm not sure about first one for 200. Of course, we will use martingale multiplicator. I see that after crossover, the trend go up, and the logic is to open trade here. So based on my test, the win rate of this strategy about 70-80%, which is okay, you know, it's good. Okay, this is our first win. We're going slow, just 300 for now, and this is okay. Always stick to pairs with 92% payouts. Don't waste money on low return pairs. This is the rule, what you need to remember and always use. Here is another signal. MACD crossover plus Parabolic SAR confirmation. Not too clear. This one is good. This one is good. Let's open a buy position for 300. When you active on platform, sometimes it's some bonuses. That's good. All the bonuses is good. It's make our trading ROI even better. So if you have the opportunity to take some extra money for trading, always take it. I mean, like these promo codes, what I gave you in the end of this video. About promo codes we talk later. Now let's focus on trading, and I see that this 300 trade is going good, and it's profit again. Wow, good. This setup seems balanced. I test about like 10 variation of setups of these two indicators, and this one gives the best synergy. So yeah, okay, let's see. We see the crossover is coming, and we see that Parabolic SAR already show us that trend is going down. Well, it's interesting story. Yes, I see crossover. I'm confident to opening 500 on another crossover confirmation candle wavers, but we will end up in the profit as I see. But let's wait, it's 1 minute trading, you know. Sometimes I trade in 1 minute when I want calm trading session. When I have the balance and energy, I go for 5 second scalping, you already know, and I love it more. But now, to be honest with you, I'm a bit sick, and it was a good option to drink some tea and show you the good calm strategy. It's very calm. Even that this candle go green now. Okay, I open it. Another 1,500 to cover earlier losses. Strategy requires patience. The main goal is just to see how this strategy performed today. Sellers finally push price down. It's good that we open 3,000 now, because as you can see that previous trades was not good. It's trading. What we can say, it's trading. Sometimes we'll lose, sometimes we'll win. So let's see how this 3,000 perform. Yes, finally, losses compensated and we are back in profit. That's good. That's why I prefer trading with 2 indicators only. Too many indicators just clutter the chart. This combo feels reliable and yeah, I'm comfortable to work with 2 indicators like this. Some traders put too much noise on the screen, you know, and it's crazy. This strategy still need testing, as you can see. So it's a good idea to check the bigger time frame, like for example here when we trade on 1 minute, go for M10 and see how the market going there, because we're still in scalping position, like M1 is still scalping. We're trading inside of big orange candles, so that's mean that the trend is bearish. Well, let's wait what 1,000 will give us. 3, 2, 1 and boom. I love this feeling when my trades going so well. Okay, we're in profit. Okay, let's pick another pair. Let's see what we have. Reminder that we're looking for crossovers, but the both indicators supposed to give us the signal. This is the rule of the strategy. Both signals, both indicators, need to give us a signal, the signal to entry point. Here, very smoothly, they're going to crossover, but it's just form. To be honest, it's look more like we need to wait. Let's check on M10 what's going on. Okay, it's orange candle. Well, let's back to M1. We see the crossover. Hey, again, someone text me on Telegram. Guys, is it you? Someone from you, I'm sure. Don't be shy to text me on Telegram. You have my contacts. And you have my great Telegram channel. I have patience to also work there. Okay. For me, it's a good signal to open a new trade. 1,000. What you can do with this money? Actually, I can buy a lot of grocery, for example, or buy a couple of good tickets to travel. But if you invest this 1,000, you can make money on your money. This is the rule of trading. Don't miss your opportunities. Well, this 2,000 what I open, it's not really looking good. That's why I open another one on a higher position, so it will give me more option to cover the losses. Because as I can see, minus. Let me open for 3,000 on a retracement to cover the previous loss. I think on this entry point 3,000. I don't like this green candle, but we know the rules of trading. Just patient. I added another 3,000 just to cover our losses from previous trades. Yeah, God bless Mathematica to our losses. Okay, we in a profit. Okay, let's go back. Let's find another pair. Let's clean up a bit our trading pairs. I see the sum 85% is not interesting for us. Okay, here. Perfect example. MACD crossover. Lines with SAR. But SAR, it's still showing us downtrend. Well, good example, but not perfect, you know. The crossover is clear, but as you can see that Parabolic SAR didn't show us the signals, so it will be a bit risky to open now buy position just based on one indicator. That's why we have combo. That's why we have two indicators. Okay, this is the interesting situation. A clear crossover, and at the same time the price going up, and Parabolic SAR show us that this is the good position to open. Let's open, but this is the very twisted thing. As you can see that price is already on this maximum, and my next trade I think will be sell position, downward trend. It looks clear for me. Okay, let's say that this trade will be without strategy, just based on my experience. I hope this one will win, and after this I probably will open a sell position. Great, we have win based on strategy, and here we go. I will open here, guys. This is just based on my trading instincts, you know. Sometimes you need to hear to your inside voices. Instincts in trading is also a big thing. I'm over 6 years in trading, something like this. I tried everything. Stocks, gold, oil, forex. Sometimes I do have some investments, but at the same time I love binary options. I love pocket options because it's a lot of dynamic and you can make very dynamic trading here. Good scouting, and boom, as you can see, trading instincts. Yeah, with the profit, let me make maybe couple of trades and we will finish for today. Let me say that I still need to experiment with this strategy. The settings I'm okay with, but maybe I need to do better job with the timing to open the trades. But still, you can practice this on your demo account, for example. Let me open for 2000 for now. Or small amounts is also fine. If you feel comfortable, go bigger. I mean, in the end of the day, it's just money. Just don't risk everything what you have. Never. Just be smart about this, about your money management and budgeting. That's it. We're waiting for 2000. We are finishing strong strategy. This strategy looks really promising, especially after this last win. So yeah, let me end with this balance. It's good, not bad for the first serious test run. Actually, like maybe it's my short testing of this strategy, which I share with you. So I think that test was good, and I hope guys you will enjoy. So that's it for today. We have tested the MACD and Parabolic SAR strategy, and it delivered some solid results, even with a few tricky moments. But don't forget, use the promo code Dawit with my link below to get a 50% bonus on your deposit, or message me on Telegram and I will tell you how to unlock 60% bonus. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy. If you enjoy, drop the like, leave the comments what strategy you want to see next, and how is your trading going? That's it for today. Peace.